Evening. I'm so sorry for being late, guys. So let me start today's conversation with my introduction. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I'm the financial expert for the day. I will be helping you with all your trading concerns. And I'm sure, like always, you are ready to learn a new strategy. So today we will be talking about a new strategy which we called Safari. We have already mentioned in the description, so you might have already checked it. And before initiating the conversation about the strategy, just a quick piece of information that the comment section is already active, traders. So in case if you will be finding any difficulties, question, queries during the session, feel free to write back. At the same time, we will be talking about different technicals, marketing, market news, market updates, risk management, money management. So whatever the doubts you have regarding any topic, you can just drop in the comment section and I will be taking care of that. So let me remove the strategy which I was using, and also traders, please confirm in the comment section if my audio and video is completely clear, because I want to make sure that everything is streamlined so that we can have a session without any disturbance. And those who have joined for the first time, I request you, please make sure subscribe the channel, be part of the family, because every now and then whenever we are coming live, because Olymptrade is used to conduct sessions every now and then where we are talking about different technicals. So this is our official channel. We are conducting sessions in 8 different languages, so whichever you are comfortable with: Hindi, English, Portuguese, Thai, Arabic. So make sure you can explore as per your language which you are comfortable with. Okay, so we'll not be wasting much time. We will kick off the session, and of course you can share the link with your dear ones, your colleague, your friends, your families, those who are interested in trading. So of course we will also try to help them in their trading concerns. I can see that a lot of questions, a lot of comments are already there. Rinki ji, hello. What's the win rate of this strategy? See, Shanath Rameshi, I just want to tell you one thing. Like, there is a very big myth that you will be able to make profit only when you have a nice accuracy, or like you have a success rate of what we call 70%, 80% or 90%. But let me tell you one thing, just if you calculate it along with the figures also, if you are having a profitability of 90% and you are taking a trade for $100 or like $10, if the trade is going positive, and you are going to make 90% of that one, and if the trade will go negative, you are going to lose 100% of that one. Even with 53% of the success rate, you will be on a break-even point. So break-even means no profit, no loss. And afterward, once you will start making profit more than that one, like if your success rate will increase from 53 to 54, 55, 56, you will start making profits. But the only condition is that you need to wait. You need to make sure that your money management and risk management is good enough. So you need to focus on that. I'll try to explain that also. Let's kick off the session first, so that we can have the conversation regarding that as well, side by side. So this name of the strategy which we have already discussed, which we have already talked about, is Safari. So to apply this strategy, all you just need to go to this technical analysis button. This is the application version which I have downloaded in my laptop. So there is a possibility that some of the traders, they might be using a mobile application, so the interface can be different. But one thing I can tell you, that this can be applied in the mobile application and browser version, both of them. I will also be teaching you that how you can apply it manually. So trader, understand one thing, those who haven't reached to that specific level where this strategy is unlocked, no need to bother yourself, no need to buy the strategy, or do not think like this session is not for you. I will be guiding you that how you can use this paid strategy, even that is paid for you, how you can use it for free. So we'll just go to the technical analysis once. First we will apply it manually, by automatic. So we'll go to the Safari. This can be used for FT, which means fixed time, FX, which means Forex. I'll click on the strategy. A small piece of introduction video is there. For now, no need to bother yourself. Of course, I will be guiding you. Again, introduction in a written format, and what exactly we are going to use. So we are going to use William percent with the frequency of 14, MACD with the frequency of 12, 26 and 9. Traders, please keep on commenting in the chat section. I will be taking your doubts, taking your comments also, nothing to worry, just keep on commenting there. Okay, so once I'll click on enable the strategy, so everything is visible on my screen. So if you don't have this strategy which is available for you for free, so all you just need to apply it MACD and Williams percentage R, and that can be used. Just go to the technical analysis, type MACD, same frequency is there, good to go. Then you can type Williams percent R, in this one same frequency again, click on these three dots, click on save, next, and your strategy is ready to be used. I am going to make a quick change with the visualization of the MACD. So I will just hide this line, and from histogram I will just make it to the line. Let me make it a bit more sharp. Okay, so now how exactly this strategy works, let's talk about that one. I have already explained how you can apply it manually and automatically. So in case if anybody is having doubt, either they can scroll it back or they can ask me, I will be guiding you. And now let's talk about that how this strategy exactly works. So in this one, we are supposed to focus on two things. The first one, MACD. So in MACD, we can see that there is a level 0, which we can call it as base level or 0 level. So whenever there is an intersection of MACD line with this base level, we will try to grab a signal. So how this signal exactly works. So if the intersection is in the upward direction, then the market can try to move into the upward. At the same time, if the intersection is in the downward, market can try to move into the downward direction. And this is not something like you have to apply it again and again on different assets. Once you will apply on your platform, that will be visible on each and every asset. And the set of rule is going to remain same. So it's not like that on a currency pair it is going to work in a different manner, on another composites is going to work in a different manner. So set of rule is going to be same. Okay, now let's talk about Williams percent R. In Williams percent R there are three levels: -20, -50 and -80. -50 is considered as the base level or mid level. So if you try to observe, so every now and then sometime we are getting these green bars on the upper side of -50, sometime at the bottom, like just below that. So of course we can try to correlate it with the MACD itself. So whenever there is an intersection in the upward direction and at the same time you are getting these bars on the upper side, just above the -50 level, so they will try to indicate that the market can move into the upward direction, and vice versa. If these bars are getting generated or you are able to find them below -50, so they will be indicating that the market can move into the downward direction. Now traders, before we'll move ahead, let me show you, like you can use it like this way also, that is completely up to you. So or like this. Yeah. Now before proceeding ahead, like some precautionary words like which I want to share with you, or some statements which I want to tell you. First one, it's a financial market. There is a possibility of partial and fully capital loss. So considering that thing, do not invest your complete capital in a single trade. Okay, my two trades are looking like that they might be going negative. Okay, no worries. First thing. Second one, it's just a technical tool which is based on the mathematical calculation. So there is no surety, no promise that you will be getting 100% accuracy. So considering that thing, don't feel excited that I have a new technical, so I will start making a huge profit. So what I am just trying to tell you that these are just mathematical calculation based technical tools. So there is a possibility that you might not be able to grab a hold on that one. So considering that thing, always use your technical, your strategy first on your demo account and then take it to your live account. Third thing, all the trades which I am going to take, I have taken in the past. I am the one who will be responsible for them, and everything is depending on my experience and my skill set. And one last thing, even though this session is live, but there is a telecast gap which lies between 30 seconds to 1 minute. So there is a possibility that the trade which I am going to take right away in front of you, that will be visible to you after couple of seconds. So if you will try to do some copy trading, that can lead to some negative results. Okay, so let me tell you again the set of rule. When the MACD will be intersecting the zero level in the downward, market can try to move into the downward. At the same time, these bars will start appearing below the 50 level. So we are not going to take a trade on a ongoing trend or like on a ongoing signal. So whenever we will be getting a fresh intersection, we will try to pick the opportunity. The suggested time frame for this strategy is, like, the chart time frame will be 1 minute, and the trade time frame can go from 2 to 4 candles. So 2 to 4 candles means if the chart time frame is 1 minute, so the trade time frame can be 2 minute, 3 minute, or 4. There are some more things also which you need to focus on while using this strategy. Of course, I will be sharing those also. If you have understood the strategy, or if you have any doubt, just let me know. If you understood the strategy, just give me a thumbs up. And at the same time, if any one of you have used this strategy in the past, they can also share their experience, whether that was good or whether that was not good, because that will be also, you know, helpful for the another traders, those who are going to use it for the first time. So they might be getting some motivation, or they might be getting some insights, and at the same time I will also try to give you some insights for the same. Okay, so let's kick off the live section where we are going to take some live trades. So let's kick off that part. So we will be doing some live action. So I will start shuffling my cards. I will keep on shuffling my assets, and wherever we will be finding any signal. Okay, so there can be a possibility for a signal. Let's do one thing. Let's open our first trade. Okay, so our first trade on AUD JPY. Let me show you. OTC is already up, so I have opened this trade in the downward direction for $20. Let's see how this trade will go. So I think my system is stuck. No worries, no worries. I'll check for the same later on. Okay, so we will keep on shuffling the cards, we will keep on shuffling the assets. And traders, I am expecting some reactions from your side also. So make sure, if you like the strategy, if you understood the strategy, just give me a thumbs up. In case if you are not able to understand, or if you missed something, you can give me a fire emoji or fire reaction also, so I will get to know. Or let me do one thing. Let me take some just give me a second. If any opportunity will be there, I'll try to grab it, and in the meantime I will move to the comment section. So let me take a couple of comments also. Okay, so there was a very nice signal, but intersection is already done, and as I am always suggesting, never ever try to catch a running bus, a running train. That is something which we are going to apply while trading also. So we are not going to trade on any signal which was there, like it's been already 2 to 3 candles and the signal is quite old, so we are not going to take trade on that one. And second precaution which we are going to take is, we are not going to take any trade on the probability that signal can be there, signal will be there, signal might be there. No, signal is there, then we will be taking the trade. Okay, let me take some comments, and then we will coming back to the live action. Okay, so Niranjan ji, hello. Savara, hi. Yes, everything is clear. Shana, thank you so much. My withdrawal is processing since many hours. Rinke, I request you, please stay calm. The standard time frame for the withdrawal is 24 hours to 5 working days. Majority of them are processed within 24 hours, but if anything is taking time, I request you just stay calm. Once team will be working on that one, it will be processed. Is there any strategy for trade stock in FTTs? Brahmdev ji, the set of rule is going to remain same, or you are supposed to follow the same technicals. There is nothing like which you need to make, you know, different. Okay, so Wasim official, hello. I am delighted to be here. Many thanks for organizing this. Edward, I am glad to see that we are trying to help you and you are appreciating that. And like Edward, this is a request to everyone, those who are there for the first time. I request you, please subscribe the channel, be part of the family, because whenever we will be coming live again, of course you will be able to get in touch with you. Okay, can we make money in... See, Shanath Rameshi, I want to clarify one thing. It's not a binary platform, it's a trading platform. Reason behind, see, in binary you are going to just make an assumption, or you are just going to be focused on the fluke. It's like a cricket match is going on, and on that during that match, whether Virat Kohli is going to hit a 6 or whether he's going to get clean bowled, we can't calculate it or evaluate it. Max to max, what we can check his previous record, or we can check in whether he is in form or not, or whether he is having some medical emergency or anything like that or not. But in this platform, you can use your technical, you can use the graphical analysis, you can use the fundamental. So all three aspects we have covered. In technical, we are analyzing the previous data. In graphical, we are analyzing the current information visible in the form of candle formation. And in fundamental, we are also analyzing the future or upcoming data. So when we are analyzing everything, and we can also find, it's not like that we are just analyzing it, we can find the relative effects as well on the platform. We can find it. So it's a hardcore trading platform, until and unless you are not just taking some random trades, or you are just stating that okay, back to back red 4 candles were there, so next can be red, last 5 candles were green, next can be green. So that is not trading, let me be honest with that. But if you talk about the trading platform, so it's a hardcore trading platform. Okay, I think price action is better than indicator. Shanazji, I agree with you, but not 100%. The reason behind, price action can be used for composites, indexes and everything, and at the same time, if you are one of those, like those who are very fond of price action, I am also used to follow that. So you can do one thing, you can use it as an additional confirmation. Let's see how was the first trade. Okay, so this okay, so our first trade was negative. Let me analyze like what can be done. Okay, so there was a reversal at the same time. No worries. Okay, no problem. So we'll try to grab some another opportunities. We'll try to use some different time zones also. And at the same time, as we can see that it's already like it's about to 7 o'clock, so US market is about to open, so we can expect some sudden volatility, so that is completely fine. And already we have seen one example. Yeah, so we were talking about price action. So yes, that can be used like support, resistance, that can be used as an additional confirmation. How we can use it? So whenever you are using any strategy, it's not only about this strategy, any strategy where you are using Japanese candle, so you can draw some support and resistance levels. Now see, if I'll try to analyze the market right away, so market is stuck somewhere in the resistance support level. So if this level will be breached, I can try to follow that. At the same time, signal is there, intersection is there, both William %R bars are below -50, but still I haven't taken the trade. The reason behind, the market is stuck somewhere in the support level. So there is a possibility that the market might bounce back, or there might be some reversal. So, and see, we can observe that same. Market is trying to breach that one, but market is not able to. So these are the things which you can use while you are using any strategy with the help of Japanese candle. So always try to avoid taking trades when you are near to support level or resistance level. If you are new to that topic, if you are not well aware that what exactly I am talking about, so whenever market is trying to move in any specific direction, so market is getting stuck in certain levels. So if market is trying to move into the upward direction, so that can be considered as a resistance level. So now this one, the more frequently market will get stuck there, the stronger that level. So like market got stuck here once, twice, and this can be also considered as the third time, and this is the fourth time. So whenever the market is trying to move in such direction, so if the market is getting stuck there back to back, so that level is getting stronger and stronger. And in case at the same time, if you are getting confirmation from any technical, doesn't matter like this strategy or any another strategy, I'll suggest try to avoid taking trades. Yeah, if you think that no, I want to take a trade on that signal also, just wait for the confirmation. If that level will be breached, then you can follow the signal. If the market will bounce back, then of course you can follow the support and resistance. So this is how you can try to use such strategies. Okay, so let's try some another signals also. Let's try to explore more and more opportunities. Okay, so any signal so far? No, like there was a signal, but market was in consolidation, so we will not be taking trade on that. Let me try to shuffle my cards. Traders, if you have any doubt, just make sure you write in the comment section. If you understood the strategy, just give me a thumbs up, just give me a reaction, because that will also motivate me. Like everybody is hearing me out. I am trying my best to help them, and they are getting that. Okay, so sooner or later we can expect a signal here. Okay, so MACD intersection is almost there, but not completed. I haven't opened the trade. The reason behind, signal can be there, but signal is not there for sure. Okay, so MACD intersection is done, and at the same time the green bar started appearing in the downward direction. Okay, thank you so much for your hearts. Thank you so much, traders. Thank you so much. Okay, so another trade is already in the pipeline. Okay, so this trade might go negative. Let me have a look. Okay, so there is a possibility that this trade might go positive, because market is again trying to recover itself. Let's see how this trade goes, but for now we are going to focus on this trade. Okay, so let me take a couple of comments. Okay, so just a moment, traders, I'm so sorry, just give me a second. Let me just remove some assets with the less profitability. Initially gold was having a high profitability, but because of liquidity, I think the profitability decreased. No worries. So let me take sir, I lost money. Vasi said, please help me. Vasi, please let me know if you were using any strategy, any specific strategy you have used. I'm sad to see that you have made some losses on the platform. I'll try my best to help you, but just let me know that which strategy you were using. Can I use strategy in stocks? Yes, Brahmdevji, the set of rule is going to remain same. Hello everyone. Hello. What's the time frame, chart and fixed time minute? So Mr. Banjo, for this strategy, the suggested minimum chart time frame is 1 minute, and the suggested trade time frame can lie between 2 to 4 candles. So if the chart time frame is 1 minute, so 2 candles means 2 minute trade, 3 candles means 3 minute, and 4 candles means 4 minute. And at the same time, if you will increase the chart time frame, so you can multiply accordingly. Okay, what's the time frame? And do you use real market or OTC? Shanat, there is nothing specific like I am going to trade on that specific asset. I am just only focusing on two conditions, two things. First one, profitability. On which asset I am getting high profitability, not the highest, high profitability. So the majority of time, all the assets having 80% or more than that one, I'm picking those assets. Second thing, I'm also trying to consider the market data which is floating into the market. And the third one, the major reason, wherever I will be getting any opportunity, I will try to grab it. Devanshi, we are not coming live every day. We are like in English, we are coming live on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 6:30 to 7:30 Indian Standard Time. If you are comfortable with Hindi, Urdu also, so Tuesday and Thursday, 4 to 5. So you can like if you are comfortable with Hindi, Urdu also, so of course like you will be able to get the information throughout the week. Monday, Wednesday, Friday in English, Tuesday, Thursday in Hindi. Okay, Outlander, I'm happy to see that you made some profit. Khabar, hello. Maxim, thank you so much for this tea. Thank you so much. Okay, very good evening, musician Ji. Alajanath, trader. See, so he mentioned that there is some manipulation. So there is nothing like that, Alajanath trader. The reason behind, let me give you the information regarding that one. The first one, we are the part of FinCom, Financial Commission. We are also regulated by the Vanuatu of Republic, government of Vanuatu of Republic. At the same time, if you feel any doubt, if you have any question, the best which I can suggest you, go to this button, just go to the view quote history, and every second whatever the quotes are visible, you can check a third party execution certification also. So everything is certified, there is nothing like that. And at the same time, understand one thing, ask this question to yourself again. If there is some, anything like that one, then why we are putting so many sources to teach you that how you can improve your trading skills? Why every now and then, whenever we are coming live or during the personal sessions, like those who are having analysts, of course they might they can relate with that one. Why we are telling you that, sir, please do not take trade with big amounts? Why we are keep on telling you trade with small amount, try to work on your technicals, try to work on your skills. The reason behind is that we also want you to make profit. And if you still have any doubt, just connect with the support team or check with your analyst and ask them that how we are also earning. So of course you will be getting the information about that. Okay, so there is nothing like that one. We are putting so many sources. Let me tell you the information about this personal analyst thing also. I'm expecting some hearts and some thumbs up for this information, because I'm sure that that is going to be very exciting for you. So like me, we have a team of some analysts, so they are going to conduct a 1-to-1 session. Okay, so gold trade was positive, the profitability was very less, but we managed to make a profit, so that is completely fine. Let's try to analyze some more asset. Yeah, so what I was talking about, so I was stating that like me, we have a team of analysts, so those who are having great trading track record, having great experience in this field, and they are going to conduct 1-to-1 Zoom sessions with you. Each session is going to be for 25 to 30 minutes, where they are going to share their screen talking about different technical strategies, market news, just to help you with your trading skills. Traders, I am expecting some reaction on this information, because I'm sure if I will be a trader who is struggling with my trading skills and I will be getting that information, of course I would be very excited for the after coming to know that there is an opportunity which we can grab to improve our trading skills. And these are going to be 1-to-1 session and personal sessions. So of course, if you will be finding any doubt, question, query, you can ask them then and there. That is going to be live communication. You will be able to talk to them. And the best part of this session is whether you are going to take one session or 1,000, every session is going to be free. No need to pay anything ever to anyone. Okay. And at the same time, this facility majorly for now, it is available only for the expert level holders. So those who are my dear ones, those who are already on the expert level, I request you, make sure you take benefit of that one. And if you for that, all you just need to make sure that your contact number should be updated in your profile. In case if your contact number is updated, you are not able to update it, or you received the call, you saw it's with the international number, you missed that call, that went to the spam, or because of any XYZ reason you are not able to take that opportunity, and even though you were on expert level and you didn't took that opportunity, and now because of any XYZ reason your level is downgraded, that is completely fine. You are still most welcome. Just to grab this opportunity, please avoid sharing details in the comment section, like your personal details, like your contact number and everything. Just connect with your support team, or drop them an email stating that, sir, this is my trader ID, this is my contact number, I need some help in trading, please raise a callback request. Once you will forward this information to us, we will come into the picture and we will line up your sessions. And again, I am confirming each session is going to be for 25 to 30 minutes, where you will be getting information regarding technicals, fundamentals, graphicals, everything, and all sessions are going to be free. So in case if somebody is reaching out to you and stating that they are going to help you, but you need to pay some commission or some charges or some subscription, and they will start indicating stating that they are from Olymptrade, make sure that call is not from Olymptrade, because Olymptrade is not giving any paid services. And I am amazed to see that I have shared such a useful information, but nobody responded on that one. It's quite strange. No worries. So let's keep on shuffling our cards. Let's keep on. Let me do one thing. Let me open a couple of more assets. So I'll open like everything is going to be mixed. Some composites, some OTC, some currency pairs. If any metal is available within that profitability range, so I will be opening that also. So, okay, so far we have picked some random assets, those who are having profitability more than 82%. Okay, so let's start shuffling from the beginning, and let me do one thing. Let me take a couple of more comments. Okay, so good to know, exciting, great. Okay, Dakshit sir, Dakshit, I am glad to see that you have joined our platform recently, and you are most welcome. A very warm welcome from me and from my team side. And Dakshit, this information is especially for you and for all the traders, those who have recently joined this platform or this financial market. See traders, I have already explained, like it's a financial market, there is a possibility of partial or fully capital loss. So make sure you invest enough time also. Okay, it's not only about investing money, it's also about investing time. Because I am always used to say, keep learning, keep earning. So I am always focusing on the learning part first. Okay, so Rose Masti official, he mentioned that again show the strategy. So it's a very easy, like either you can, you know, scroll it back, or let me just introduce again also. So in this one we are going to use two technicals. One is MACD, second one William percentile, how they are working. So in MACD there is a zero level. Whenever there is an intersection of MACD in the upward direction, market can try to move into the upward, and at the same time if the intersection is in the downward, market can move into the down. In the meantime, how we are supposed to use William percentile? In this one there are three levels: -20, -50 and -80. So if these green bars on the upper level, just above the -50, market can try to move into the upward. Vice versa, if they are in just below the -50, market can try to move into the down. Very easy to understand. All you just need to focus on that we are not going to, you know, try to catch a running bus or like that one. So of course we are not going to take a trade on an ongoing signal. So whenever we will get a fresh signal, whenever this market will change the direction, at that time we will be opening the trade. I'm so sorry traders for the like if there is any you know, inconvenience because of the any background noise. I'm so sorry for that. Okay, so let me try to explore some more signals. Okay, so what we can observe, MACD already intersected the zero level in the upward direction. So I am expecting that sooner or later there will be a bar which will appear on the upper side of the -50. Now this bar will start changing the direction. I can you know, I would love to share one more catch with you. So sometime when you will find that these bars are you know, just above this -20 level or -80 level, so they are considering that the volume of that specific direction is quite good. So in case if you have missed the first opportunity, you can try to grab it at that time. But this is just something which I have observed. I am not giving you a direct recommendation. Just try it on your demo. In case if you are able to grab, you can use it. Or you can do one thing, whenever any signal is like that one, like which is quite dicey, you can use lesser capital, small capital. So if the profit will be there, good to see. But if the negative trade is there, at least you will not be losing much. Because at the same time, when we are focusing on making profit, we are also focusing on preserving or holding our capital, so that in case if one or two trades will go negative, at least we will be having something in our bucket which will try to help us to make our recovery. Let me see. Okay, so market breached this level. Let's do one thing. Let's open another trade for downward in CHF and JPY OTC. Let me take a couple of more comments. Yes, the signal is looking great. Exactly, very nice. Maxim, I'm happy to see that you are able to understand. And traders, if you understood this strategy, good to know. If you have any doubt, just let me know. Okay, so Rahul, hello. Where do you bet? Victoria, I didn't get your question. Like you are asking about my like ethnicity or the asset, what exactly you're talking about. Please again show me the strategy. Brother Mobile Center, I am so sorry, I have already explained it multiple times. I just request you just scroll it back, and I am sure that when you commented after that, I have already explained. I have just recently talked about that. Okay, so yes coach, strategies are helpful, indicators also. Exactly. See Maxim, the thing is that we need to focus on that how frequently or how aggressively we are able to grab it. Because see, there is a possibility that the medicine which is working for you, there is a possibility that that might not work for you, or that could be the vice versa. I'm just trying to tell you that there is a possibility if that one strategy is working for me, that might not be working for you, or if something is working for you, that might not work for me. But we will be able to conclude it only when we will be able to use it. And opening 10 to 15 trades is not going to tell you that correct judgment. You need to open minimum to minimum 70 to 100 trades. I know it is going to take a lot of time, but understand one thing. When you will taking 70 to 100 trades, then you will be able to conclude whether it is working for you or not. And of course, I'm not telling you to open 70 to 100 trades on your live account, because even though if you are going to take $1 trade, then your 100 or $70 is on stake. So you can use it on your demo. Now some traders might be saying, sir, when I am trading on my demo account, I am able to make some profit, but when I am trading on my live account, I am making some losses. Why like this? So the only reason behind it is the mindset. Means when we are trading on live account, we have a mindset, we have a pressure in our mind, we need to make profit, we have to make some money. Sometime when back-to-back profitable trades are there, we are getting greedy. And when trades are getting negative, we are moving to the revenge trading mode. That is not something which you should be focusing on. And when you are trading on demo account, you're calm enough, you do not have any worry about your money, you are just focusing on the technical, you are just placing the orders, that's it. So everything is same, just the mindset difference is there. But still, if you have any doubt, the best which I can suggest you, take 2 devices. In one device, open live account. In second device, open demo account. Execute a trade in both of them at the same time. You will be able to find, or even though if you don't want to execute the trade, you can check the codes. They will be exactly same. Okay, so that's how it's going to work. Hello sir, can you tell me more time when trade should be taken? See Romil, for this one, when the intersection will be there, you will be finding the intersection of both the technicals, then you are supposed to open the trade. At the same time, the precautions, the additional precautions which you can take, the first one is never ever try to take trades near the support or resistance level. First thing. Second thing, you can also focus on one like 2 more things. The first one, always trade in a trending market. There is a quote, or like there is a what we are used to say in the market, trend is your friend. Of course, Kunal is also your friend, but trend is also your friend. So by that I am trying to say market is always moving in 3 different directions: upward, downward, and sideways. Okay, so JPY was a negative. Let's assume. Okay, so there was a sudden reversal. If we would have opened this opportunity on this level, when the intersection was there, that was a great opportunity to grab it. And if we would have opened at this level, so even 1 candle, 2 candle, 3 candle, everything was positive, but we grabbed it a bit late, so the trade was negative. I was also expecting, to be honest, I was also expecting that trade might go negative. At the same time, if I observe, yeah, see, no worries, our one trade which is looking quite good, which is looking quite lucrative, so it will help us to recover everything whatever we have lost, or even it will help us to make some profits. Yeah, so we were talking about 3 conditions. The first one, never ever trade in the support or resistance level. Like this is a resistance level, so market is stuck somewhere, market is trying to bounce back. Let me do one thing, let me take one trade for $50, 2 candles down. So this trade I have taken only on the base of resistance level, nothing else. Okay, so let me just reduce the amount again. Okay, so this trade is very near, no worries. Yeah, second one, don't trade in consolidation market. Either market should move into the upward direction or in the downward direction. Third one, whenever you are going to execute any trade, make sure also evaluate the previous candle. Like if you are not that much good with the candle patterns or everything, let me give you a very quick and easy way to try to analyze the chart or to analyze the previous candle. Bigger the candle, like bigger the body, smaller the wick, that candle is favorable. Like that can be considered. Longer the wick, smaller the body, it's quite a dicey. Like of course there are going to be another set of rule also, like the market tried to move into the downward direction, there was a price rejection, so market closed in the upward side, so market can try to move into the upward side. These are the different calculations, or these are the different techniques or logics you can use. But if you are new to that, the best which I can suggest you, bigger the body, smaller the wick, that candle can be considered, or you can think about that. Then after that, dodgy candle is there, different type of candles are there, so that is a different call. Okay, let's do one thing, let's open another trade, even though market is somewhere in the resistance level. So let's see if we will be able to breach it or not. Okay, let me take couple of more comments. Okay, please trade on real pair, don't trade on OTC. See, Crypto Mafia, I am not selecting some specific assets. I am just exploring the different assets. Wherever I am getting any opportunity, I am just trying to grab it. That's it. Okay. Sir, I lost 4 lakh on Olymptrade. Please help me. Star Gaming, I request you, please share your strategy which you were using. And I'm sad to see that you are making some losses. Just try to grab opportunity. Learn some technical tools. Also use them and then try to grab the opportunities. Do not only focus on the candle pattern and candle colors. Try to use some technicals also. I know it might take some time to learn it. It might take some time to recover your funds, but slowly and gradually, if you will start grabbing a hold on that one, that 4 lakh can try to will turn into 390, 380, 360 and go so on. But if you will just keep on taking some random trades with some random amounts, that can pile up also. So I request you, please try to avoid that. Brahmdevji, what exactly you want me to ask? Like, what metrics you are like? We are getting quotes from prime broker. Everything is visible here. So, if the market is moving into the upward, you will be able to see the upward course. If downward, the same. At the same time, whichever course you want to evaluate, everything is visible in the quote history. So everything can be checked from there. And it's not like that in my device it is going to be it is showing different course, in your device it will be showing different. Everything is going to be same. Hi Mariam. Mariam, see, like if you want any help from my side, of course you are most welcome. Like just let me know the strategy which you are using and we will be helping you. Destiny, I'm happy to see that you have entered this financial market. Again, the same information and the same suggestion for you also. Please try to grab hold on your technicals also before starting, before making investment on real funds, because you need to focus on the investing time as well. It's not only about investing money. So please focus on that. Hi Vinay. Which is the best time to trade? See, Vinay, if I'll talk about that thing, like there is nothing like specific, like when you will be able to make back-to-back profits, or there are no such time frame when you will be making negative results. But if you talk about me, my trading style, so majority of time I am starting somewhere around 11 a.m. Indian Standard, and I am completing my trading sessions at 5 or 5:30 or not, max to max 6. Like I am trading during this time only when I am coming live. So majority of them, that is the only time when I am trading during these time windows. Rest my all trades are already done within that time. Major two reasons are there. The first one, I have my take profit and stop loss, so I am used to touch it prior to that. Second one, in US market, sometimes I am observing that there is more volatility. It's not like that you will not be able to make profit during that window. There are traders, those who are making profit, or I am also trading sometime like when I need some extra bucks. But the only thing is that sometimes we need to take some extra precautions. We need to use, different aspects, or we need to just change the trade time frame just to grab a hold on that one. So I'm just, quite lazy for that. So that is fine. Okay, so search in Google, maximum huge strong signal, nice market today. Yeah, maximum like market is not that volatile. Like we found like hardly 2 to 3 sudden reversal, but that is something like which we can expect. Okay, sir, how can use money management? Rose, that is a very nice question. It's a very nice question you have asked. So money management is something like which you have to get a hold on your trading when you are starting your journey. Let me clear it with one example which I am used to give every now and then. Just give me a second, let me just check the last trade. Okay, so things are not going positive, trade went negative. Okay, so if we would have opened a trade for 3 candles, 4 candles. Okay, 4 candle trade was supposed to go positive. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's, oh no, okay, so 1 2 3 3 3. Okay, 3 candle trade time frame was better opportunity, no worries. Okay, and let me analyze this AUD CAD also. Okay, so we missed this with a very small difference. We were very near. So see, traders focus on this part. So the opening quote was 0.88769 and the closing quote was 0.88768 with just 1 point. No worries. So we'll try to recover it. Let's do one thing. Let's try to grab some opportunities in case if we will be this trade might go negative. We are also quite near the edge. Okay, let me try to grab something and then I will talk about money management. Okay, so there is an opportunity, 3 minute $20 down. Let's see. Yeah, so let's talk about the money management part. So traders, let me give you one example. So there is one trader who took 4 trades, back to back 4 trades for $10. All trade went positive. With the profitability of 80%, he managed to book a profit of $32. Now he is excited or he is getting greedy. I'm so sorry for the words, for the harsh word, but this is true. This is something which we are following. Sometimes we are getting greedy or we need to make some previous recoveries also. So that is completely understood, that what we are thinking that everything is going fine, things are going in our favor. So what we should go for, we should increase the trade amount. And from $10, they directly take a trade for 100, or let's make it like he took a trade for $50. Now the 5th trade went negative. If I'll check this success rate, out of 5 trade, 4 trade positive, 80% success rate is there. But if I'll check my P&L, make a profit of 32, made a loss of 50. So my P&L is showing a minus 18. Second trader, he used money management. What exactly he did? Same opportunities, same situation. 4 trades, $10 each, profit 80%, 32 profit in bucket. Now while increasing the capital, what he did, he made that $10 to 12 or 15. Let's assume he made it 15, 1.5. He took 2 back-to-back trades, both trade went negative. So now the condition is out of 6 trade, 4 are positive, 2 are negative. So success rate decreased. But if I check the P&L, profit was 32, loss was 30. So still his P&L is plus 2. Now there might be some traders who will be saying that, Kunal, what we can do with $2? Of course, I can understand. $2 is not a big amount, but understand one more thing. Your capital is also safe. And the basic rule of trading, what does it says? You can make money if you have money. So holding money in your trading account, that is also a part of trading. Using your profitable amount for further trading, that is also part of trading. So this is something you can follow. This is something you can try to grab. So in a nutshell, whenever you wish to increase your capital, whenever you want to increase your invested amount, just make sure that if that trade will go negative, at least that should only cover 40 to 50% of your profit, not more than that. Even that is a very big amount which I have told you, but max to max in a very extreme cases. The reason behind, 2 reasons. At least you will be having half of the profit or 60% of the profit which you will be able to use further. At the same time, if you will be using the same capital again, you will be left out with the $20, and you are not supposed to use the overall profit. Traders, understand one more thing. Last 3 trades profit or last 4 trades profit I am talking about. Okay, so this is also you need to follow. Let me take few more comments. Okay, Deepak mentioned, hello sir, please help me. My left is 3 months. My all trades continue loss because last moment price. Deepak, I'm sad to see, but understand one thing, like why your trades are going negative. Focus on that part. Whether you are not using the technical properly, whether you are supposed to use, some different approach, try to work on that thing. Try to work on your skill set, please. Do not try to recover all your funds in a single go, because there is a possibility that your 5-10 trades will go positive, but if the 11th trade or 6th trade will go negative, what about that one? How much money you are investing in that one? So that is something you need to focus. Okay, so Rose is saying that, sir, I am a new trader in Olymptrade, maximum trades are lost. Why? See, Rose, you are also supposed to understand one thing, that what exactly you are supposed to work on. What are the mistakes which you are making, whether you are focusing on your technical or not, whether you are practicing it or not, whether you are able to grab a hold on it or not. What were the things like which you were supposed to change in your trading trading style? See, even during the session also, when whichever trades I have taken, or whatever the trades went negative or whatever the trades went positive, every trade I was evaluating that what are the things which can be done to improve it, what are the things which can be done to avoid it. Okay, so this trade will go negative, no worries. So I managed to book some big profits in the past, so everything is fine, streamlined. I was also expecting that I will be able to make this extra bucks, but no worries. Yeah, no worries, Vinay. I'm glad to see that I was able to help you. But traders, understand one thing, it's not only about, I am repeating this again and again, I am sure that might be creating a monotony, but understand one thing, it's not always about investing money, it's also about investing a time. And that is the reason that every now and then we are coming live, we are giving group sessions, we are giving one-to-one sessions. So if you want to grab it, make sure grab that opportunity, try to reach on the expert level. In case if you're not able to reach on the expert level, even for advanced level also, one session in a month is also available for free. So my dear traders, those who are on the starter level so far, on currently on starter level, I request you try to update your status on the platform, upgrade it to advanced level or expert level, so you will be able to grab that opportunity. And until and unless if you are not able to grab that, the best which I can suggest you, subscribe the channel, be part of the family, so whenever we will be coming live, you will be able to connect with us, because every now and then we are coming live on this channel. It's the official channel of Olymptrade, and we are conducting sessions in 8 different languages. So it's not only about English, it's not only about Hindi, Urdu, Portuguese, Thai, Arabic, everything is available. So whichever is suitable for you. I'm sure that majority of the languages which we are covering with traders are familiar with, or we are available in countries. So this is the best which I can suggest you. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you so much for these reactions. This is something which I am also expecting, or I am always looking forward. Thank you so much for that. OG Santana, hello. Thank you so much for inviting me. Expensive information. Wish you all the best. Maxim, thank you so much for your appreciation. I wish you a great day, successful trading ahead, and I'm sure that whenever we will be connecting next time, you will be having a better situation on the platform, you will be having a better P&L. And traders, before we'll wind up this conversation, 2 things I am looking forward from your end. First one, some feedback on this session which we just conducted. You can give me 0 to 5 rating. 0 is the worst, 5 is the best. In case if you're going to give me 0, that is completely fine, completely accepted. No grudges, no hard feelings, that is fine. Because this is the time when we are trying to connect with you, we are trying to help you with all your concerns. So in case if anything is required to be work on, of course we will be helping you, we will be improving that. So make sure I am still active for next at least 1 or 2 minutes. So give me your precious, your valuable feedback. 0 to 5 star. 0 is the worst, 5 is the best. At the same time you can give me some reactions, heart, fire emojis, thumbs up also, so that is also accepted. So I am just still waiting for your feedback, your response on the same. And if you have any question, you have any doubt, any query, feel free to write me. Rose Masti, no problem at all. I'm happy to see that I was able to help you. And traders, again, I'm repeating the information. So we are providing some services where you are going to get a personal analyst. Make sure if you are on expert level, or if you were on expert level, make sure you grab that opportunity. Just connect with the support team, ask them that you need some help with trading, share your contact details with them. Please avoid sharing details on social media or some public these platforms like on YouTube and everything. just avoid sharing personal details there. Just share it with the support team. They will be guiding you. They will be forwarding it to us, and we will be coming into the picture. And in the meantime, I'm expecting that you will be subscribing the channel, and we will be connecting in the future. Okay, so I have one last comment from Shair all. Shair ji, I request you just connect with the support team. You can write them to the support-hi@olymptrade.com. They will be guiding you with all your trading concerns. Nothing to worry about that one. You will be getting your deposit for the same. Nothing to worry. Okay, so traders, I was expecting that I will be getting some comments or some emojis, but unfortunately I haven't received. But I think I believe like everything was streamlined. You were able to grab the opportunity. You were able to understand what I was trying to teach you. So thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for such an interactive session. I wish you a great day, successful trading ahead. No, Rose, I'm so sorry, today there is no giveaway, but in case in future if there will be some, of course you will be able to find it. You will be able to grab it. So thank you so much again, traders. Thank you so much for being with me. This was your host Kunal Kapoor. Thank you so much for everything, and see you in the next session. Till that, keep learning, keep earning, stay safe, stay healthy, and I wish you a very happy Diwali in advance. Bye guys, take care, cheers.